Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Be inside a live session or studio and make sure your keyboard's function keys are enabled. Once ready, press F9 on Windows or FN plus F9 on some laptops to pop open the developer console. If you're in Studio, you can also use View then Developer Console. Make sure you're not in a text input field when pressing keys, otherwise the shortcut won't register. This gets you immediate access to logs and tools. Once the console is open, focus on the Log tab to see errors and prints, and use the search box to filter by keywords. Make sure to switch to Memory and Stats to Profile Performance. These tabs reveal spikes in RAM or CPU usage. Use the Network tab to inspect asset or API timings. Right-click entries to copy or clear the console, and note timestamps so you can reproduce or compare behavior across runs. This is where you diagnose most problems. To finish, export or save any logs you need, then close the console with F9 or ESC. Make sure to record exact error text before closing so you can paste it into a bug report. If the console won't open, verify function keys are active, try in Roblox Studio, or run the client as administrator. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different keyboard or toggle the OS setting that maps F keys. Many failures come from hardware or system-level key mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.